Hi, I'm Lisa. I'm the ukulele fool, foolishly believing that if Pink sings a song, it should be good on the ukulele, right? Cover Me in Sunshine, does that sound like a ukulele title to you? You only need these 5 chords, and it sounds like this. There's the chorus. Cover me in sunshine, shower me with good times, tell me that the world's been spinning since the beginning, everything will be alright. Cover me in sunshine. So if you think that's a song that you want to learn with me, well, grab your favorite beverage, get your ukulele, hit that thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel and hitting the notification bell. Why? Because that tells YouTube to, show it to other ukulele learners. So please do that. Thanks. My arrangement of this song is not an exact replica. In fact, it's got gorgeous guitar work in it, but that guitarist is not singing. And so for the singing ukulele player, I wanted to come up with something that kind of gave the flavor without being quite so hard. So if you want something harder, I found a tutorial down below where it's a harder finger picking pattern. I'll link her down below. I thought it was a really good tutorial. If you want to do it with me, here's what we're going to cover. I'm going to go over the chords, and even if you know what an A minor 7 is, you might want to catch the first part because I'm going to talk about a different variation of A minor 7. I'm also going to give you a cheat, how you can avoid a B flat, if that's B flat avoidance is for you. I do a finger picking pattern for the verses, and I think that fits the flavor of what the guitarist was doing, but I'm also going to show you if you don't want to do the finger picking pattern, you don't have to, and I'll go into detail with that finger picking pattern. You know you can get chords in different places all up and down the fretboard, right? If not, let me introduce you to that concept. We're going to take an A minor 7, which is usually nothing required on the fretboard, but in order to get the flavor in this song, I'm going to use an alternate fingering of A minor 7. I am playing it with my middle finger on the 2nd fret of the G string, ring finger on the 3rd fret of the E string. So, and the nice thing is, we're coming from an F. So we play an F, and all we have to do is just add a finger. And if you like the idea of just adding a finger to make your instrument sound just a little bit different, more stylish, let me link White Liar up here. I've got all sorts of fun stuff for that Miranda Lambert song. You also need an F. You need a C. You need a B flat. And you can't get away from it. I'll show you one place where you can. So you need that B flat. I roll my finger up towards the nut, and I roll it up towards the nut so I can get more of the bony part of my finger in contact with those strings. Then I use a little bit of the physics and I press my ukulele, so if my ukulele is pressing into my hand and my hand is pressing into the ukulele, so I get good contact with these 2 strings with just my index finger, like that. If you haven't mastered the B flat, have patience with yourself, but do it. Your future self will thank you. Not a hard chord, but maybe not a usual chord, is a G minor. Index finger on the 1st fret of the A string, reach over to the C string 2nd fret with your middle finger, and then ring finger on the 3rd fret of the E string. There is a place in the chorus where there's a G minor to a B flat transition. And if you find that hard, just scratch out the B flat, put in a G minor. The chord changes usually happen after every 2 beats. So if you want to strum this song all the way through, the best strumming pattern in my mind is a down, down, up, down, down, 1, 2, and 1, 2, and. The first down strum takes up a full beat, and then the last 2 down up also fit into a beat. So it's 1, 2 things, 1, 2 things, 1, 2 things, 1, 2 things. I like to use my thumb on that first down strum. I get chord in contact there. And I slow it down a little bit so you hear each string ring out instead of... So I think that's a nice little touch, but not something you have to do. You have to do it. I'm still using my thumb because I like that sound. For the first 4 lines of each verse, I'm doing a finger picking pattern, and I will take you up nice and close on this. Here's what it looks like. Let me break it down. The thumb is on the G string, your ring finger is on the A, your middle finger takes the E string. Your index finger is going to be doing the C string, but it's going to be doing alternating between these 3 and the C. And I call this 3 versus C. And so your thumb is going to go down, and these 2 fingers are going to pull up. So it's almost like a pinching action. Might be fair to say that this is a finger plucking pattern, because it's more like a heart pluck. Then, so you're doing 3, and then your C string. 3, your C string. 1. Now I am exaggerating here, and I don't recommend that when I'm playing relaxed and everything's moving smoothly. Economy of motion. That is the finger picking pattern that I use, and it's 1 and 2 and switch, 2 and 1 and 2, you switch and 2 and like that. So each 1, 2 is a pattern. I hope you have fun. I think this is one of the most versatile and beautiful finger picking patterns to learn. Let's play the chords together, a little practice time here. I'll do it nice and slowly. 1, 2, ready, begin. Da, da, ba, ba, ba. Da, 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 ba, da, da. Then I would go into the strumming. Let me know if these practice sessions are valuable for you. Should I do more of them? So how many times do you do a pattern? Well, almost everything gets just 2 beats and you move to the next chord. But there's B flat in the verses gets 4. And so in reminder in the play along, I'm going to highlight that in yellow, and I also do that on my chord charts, and my chord charts are available for all my patrons. And thank you so much for all your lovely support and encouragement and community building that we do on Patreon. It's really wonderful to see people actually making friendships and helping each other out in this community. Help support this channel. Join us on Patreon. I've got a bunch of links down below, even telling you more about the rewards and things that I have to offer for my patrons. Before we get to the play along, I wanted to talk about this instrument. It was given to me by the Payson Company. It is available on Amazon, and I've got an affiliate link down below. I'm going to be doing a giveaway with this instrument, and I have a link for that as well, so register to enter. Any comments on YouTube, great. If you don't follow me on Instagram, please do that. And if you are a new subscriber, please leave me a comment down below saying, new subscriber. So that'll get you another entry. Thank you so much. Let's do this together. This song came out in February of 2021, and I'm filming this here in September. So this song does not have a whole lot of history behind it. But one of the things that I wanted to point out is that she did the the recording and the video with her daughter, and she had publicly stated when she had kids that she really, was looking forward to singing with her kids, and so she's doing that. And I hope that you are singing with your kids or your grandkids or at a school or something like that. Particularly once this pandemic's over, there will be so many opportunities to spread the ukulele love. This song was written by two women, Amy Allen and a woman who goes by the title of Mozella. And Mozella has worked with other female artists like Miley Cyrus. She wrote Wrecking Ball, and Kelly Clarkson and Madonna. So girl power. In the United States, Cover Me in Sunshine was not a big hit. It didn't make the top 100, but it did in Belgium and Slovakia. It was number 2 in Latvia, and I have 2 students from Latvia, so isn't that cool? And it was number 3 on the Euro Digital Song Series. So what do you think, ukulele players? Do you think we can make this song a little bit more popular in the United States? I hope so. I think it's a great philosophy. It's like, instead of saying make lemonade, it's like cover me in sunshine. It really is a mental attitude. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. I've been dreaming of friendly faces. I've got so much time to kill. Just imagine people laughing. I know someday we will. And even if it's far away, get me through another day. Cover me in sunshine, shower me with good times. Tell me that the world's been spinning since the beginning. Everything'll be alright. Cover me in sunshine. From a distance, all these mountains are just some tiny hills. Wildflowers, they keep living while they're just standing still. I've been missing yesterday, but what if there's a better place? Cover me in sunshine, shower me with good times. Tell me that the world's been spinning since the beginning. Everything'll be alright. Cover me in sunshine, shower me with good times. Tell me that the world's been spinning since the beginning. Everything'll be alright. Cover me in sunshine. La 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 la, la 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 la. Cover me in sunshine, shower me with good times. Tell me that the world's been spinning since the beginning. Everything'll be alright. Cover me in sunshine. I hope that this tutorial and play along has brought you joy and confidence in your ukulele journey. I would like to thank all my patrons for their great feedback, song suggestions, community building, and your very important financial support for my teaching efforts. If you appreciate what I do and have a few dollars a month to spare, I encourage you to join our growing Patreon community. Don't forget to hit that like button before you go and keep spreading the ukulele love.